Skype. The concept of Skype was introduced by Nicholas Zenstrom and Janice Friss in the year 2003. It enables the users to talk face-to-face on video call to friends and family. You can use it to organize office meetings free of cost. Using Skype, you can communicate with a person residing in some other country. To call on Skype, you need to have a Skype account. It has features like video call, voice call, and instant messages. You only need an internet connection. Skype uses a technology called Voice over IP or VoIP, which sends your voice inserted into the computer via microphone over the internet. Skype can be used to join an online meeting, conduct an interview, online classes, and you can connect with anyone from anywhere with Skype Web. You can host or hold a video meeting or audio conference with a maximum of 50 members at one time. You can also record your ongoing meeting or call, can have live captions and subtitles like a movie or just chat. The key features of Skype are as follows. Skype translates the conversation in real time if the person is talking in a different language. It is a safe way to have conversation with people without any interruption. You can share your screen to train someone. It has live subtitles option. This helps a hearing impaired person to keep up with the call. EBanking. The technology has paced many steps. We can now transfer money online from one bank account to another. In earlier days, checks were used to transfer money and it took 2 to 3 days for the clearance. If checks were spoiled, mutilated, and lost, then the transfer took more time as a fresh check was required again. With EBanking, you can transfer funds easily from one account to another through computer, laptop, or even with your smartphone. ATM facility is also a part of EBanking, where you can withdraw cash from any of the ATM machines and the amount will be debited from your bank account automatically. EBanking is useful for bankers as well as customers. The bankers are benefited by the way of less transaction cost, less chances of human error, reduction in fixed infrastructure cost, customer loyalty and satisfaction, reduced paperwork. The customers are benefited by way of convenience of banking, no geographical restrictions, lower costs, reduced chances of fraud, modes of payment. All the e-commerce websites provide various modes to make payment of the product or service that you want to buy. Some of them are as follows. Debit or credit card. E-commerce websites allow us to make payment by using our credit or debit card, which will be debited from the bank account. We must have a sufficient balance in the bank account to complete the transaction. In case of credit card, we are provided with a credit limit by the bank, which we can use to purchase products. To avoid the online fraud, each credit or debit card has a 3 digits unique secret card verification value, CVV number, on the back side of it. Now, bank also sends a one-time password, OTP, on your registered mobile number to verify the authenticity. Net banking. We can directly use the bank account to make payment online. Every bank provides a unique customer ID or net banking ID and a PIN to each customer of the bank. With the help of the customer ID and PIN, customer can make payment while purchasing the products from e-commerce websites. Similar to credit or debit card, an OTP is received on the registered mobile number in case of net banking. E-wallet. E-wallet or electronic wallet refers to a digital wallet that is used to make payment online. We need to add money from the bank account to the e-wallet before using it. Most of the e-commerce websites provide their own e-wallet. Some banks also provide e-wallet to their customers. Some third-party organizations also provide payment support to their customers. Paytm, Google Pay, PhonePe, etc. are the most commonly used payment service providers, PSP. Cash on delivery, COD. Most of the e-commerce websites allow us to make the payment by cash while receiving the product at your residence. Newsgroup. In online community, newsgroup is the title given to a discussion group. A newsgroup focuses on a particular topic. The topic is of general interest of all the participants to the newsgroup. All the participants put up their comments or views on the topic as well as on the comments or views of other participants. In this way, a discussion on the topic is done. Generally, there is one person, known as news admin, who manages the newsgroup. The news admin keeps a check on the comments of the participants. He decides when to stop a discussion as well as approving the comments or articles before they are posted on the newsgroup page.